The Earth's climate would be thrown into complete disarray. Plants, which rely on sunlight for photosynthesis, would die off, crops would fail, and the already unstable ecosystems would collapse. Animals that depend on plant life for food would starve, and herbivores would quickly follow suit. Carnivores would face similar fates as their food sources would dwindle. This massive loss of life would disrupt the food chain entirely. Some species might be able to adapt in the short term, but many others would be wiped out. The Earth's biodiversity could shrink drastically, and ecosystems could take millions of years to recover, if they ever do. The air, already thick with ash and dust, would become toxic as chemicals from the impact seep into the atmosphere. The lack of sunlight would halt the process of photosynthesis, which would lead to a shortage of oxygen. Plants are a key source of oxygen on Earth, so without them, the planet's oxygen levels would drop dramatically, further endangering life. The absence of a stable atmosphere and the presence of these toxic gases could create a hostile environment for any remaining organisms. In addition to this, the Earth's magnetic field might be severely disrupted. The impact could shift the planet's axis, potentially causing erratic weather patterns, extreme seasonal shifts, and even making certain regions of the planet uninhabitable. A change in the tilt of the planet could also affect the day-night cycle, possibly making days much longer or shorter, adding to the already unstable conditions. The most terrifying aspect of this scenario is that these changes wouldn't be temporary. Even after the dust and debris begin to settle, the Earth would still be a shell of what it once was. The combination of the planet's severely damaged ecosystem, drastically reduced oxygen levels, and intense radiation would create a world that's nearly impossible to survive in. Any remaining survivors would face an extremely harsh, inhospitable reality. In the next part, we'll look at the possibility of life on Earth enduring this catastrophe, the long-term survival of humanity, and the potential for rebuilding in a world so drastically changed.